Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your WordPress categories page looks cluttered with unnecessary details and you'd like to make it cleaner and more organized, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to remove the description column from your WordPress categories page, step by step, without touching a single line of code. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to your WordPress website. On the home page, look at the top right corner and click on the login button. Once the login page appears, sign in using your credentials, or for a faster and more secure option, simply click Continue with Google. That's it. You're now inside your WordPress dashboard. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on Posts and then select Categories. This will open up a list of all the categories on your site. You'll notice several columns here, including Name, Slug, Count, and the one we want to remove, Description. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a small tab labeled Screen Options. Click on it and a drop-down panel will appear. This panel controls what elements and columns you see on your current admin page. Pretty handy, right? Inside the Screen Options panel, you'll find checkboxes for each column, including one named Description. Simply uncheck the box next to Description. Instantly, that column disappears from your categories table, giving you a cleaner, more minimal look. Once you've unchecked the description box, scroll down and click Apply or Save, depending on your theme or dashboard version. Your changes will be saved automatically and you'll now see a simpler, more focused category list, free from unnecessary clutter. And that's it. You've successfully removed the description column from your WordPress categories section in just a few clicks. This small tweak keeps your dashboard clean and makes managing categories a lot easier. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more admin panel customization tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.